Usually when we talk about tech on this channel, we're talking about things that sit on a desk or go in your pocket. But the biggest, most expensive upgrade I made to my setup this year is actually sitting in my backyard. This is the motorized Villa Pergola from BON Pergola. On paper, it promises to turn your patio into a weatherproof living room. But is a motorized aluminum roof actually a smart investment? Or is it just a really expensive umbrella? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMirror, where we reflect the reality of the tech and gadgets you actually use. I'm your host, and today we are stepping outside the studio. I've been testing this aluminum louvered pergola to see if it's the ultimate hack for outdoor living. If you're tired of replacing rusty gazebos or painting wooden beams every single summer, you're going to want to watch this review. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want more honest reviews that save you money and headaches. First, let's talk about the build quality. Because straight out of the box, the first thing you realize is that this isn't flimsy plastic. The whole structure is made from a high-quality aluminum alloy. The biggest selling point here is what doesn't happen to it. Because unlike wood, this won't rot. And unlike steel, this is rust-resistant, powder-coated, and designed to be virtually maintenance-free. It features a heavy-duty double-layer design on the louvers, meaning when these things shut, they seal tight, feeling substantial and almost industrial while keeping a clean, modern villa aesthetic that fits pretty much any home style. Now, before you get your credit card out, we need to address the elephant in the room, which is the installation. You cannot just plop this on soft grass because while the kit includes the brackets and louvers, it does not include the foundation materials. And the specs state it requires a proper footing for wind and snow resistance. So be prepared to bolt this into concrete or a reinforced deck. And while it comes with detailed instructions and the tools you need, you have to understand that this is a permanent structure, not a temporary pop-up tent. Okay, let's get to the fun part, which is using it. And this is where the tech in TechMirror really comes in. The motorized operation is honestly a game changer. Because with traditional pergolas, you're stuck with whatever shade the beams give you. But with this, I have total control. If I want a tan, I open them up. And if it's noon and 90 degrees, I close them to block the UV rays. They also future-proofed the design with a reinforced center beam that can hold a fan up to 30 pounds. And when the sun goes down, the integrated waterproof LED strip creates an incredible ambiance that is bright enough to dine by, but soft enough to relax, instantly making the backyard feel like an extension of the house. However, I promised you an honest review, so we have to talk about the downsides. First, because it's motorized and has lights, you need a power source nearby. So if you don't have an outdoor outlet exactly where you want this, you're going to need an electrician to run a line, which adds to the cost. Second, as I mentioned, the foundation work is entirely on you. So if you don't have a concrete slab ready, this turns from a weekend project into a legit construction project. Finally, for a motorized device in 2024, I would have loved to see a phone app or voice control integration. But right now, you are relying entirely on the remote, so make sure you don't lose it. So, is the BON Pergola motorized villa worth the money? If you are renting, or you just want a quick, cheap shade solution, this isn't for you. So you should skip it. But if you are a homeowner looking to upgrade your lifestyle and you want something that looks premium, handles the weather, and requires zero painting or staining, then absolutely yes. I honestly love it because it's beautiful, it functions perfectly, and it has completely changed how much time I spend outside. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out the sizes and current pricing. And if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button because it helps the algorithm more than you know. This has been TechMirror, and I'll catch you in the next one.